So do you think that non-core jobs will lead to a lack of such engineering professionals in India?
Don't think non-core jobs has anything to do with it. If there's a market for good engineering job, people will become engineers. So it's a question of supply and demand, right? So when we were students here, most of us went abroad to get degrees. Now it's just changed over to non-core jobs. So
yeah, I do think that way. I think there's a shortage of real good engineers, both in quantity and quality in India right now.
Yeah, of course. I think there will be a shortage of engineers in India if the people opt for non-core jobs. Actually, the non-core jobs, people tend to go from IITs actually. So the quality of engineers coming out will be less. There are actually loads of engineers there, but the quality will tend to be.
Yeah, surely. Because people take their relative courses, and if they get job in the same field, then there's more chances to excel in that field rather than going to some other field and learning and starting from there itself.
Not about lack of qualified engineers. The main thing is like people who are having into to work in the core areas will obviously contribute their work and all. Other people might not help much, but they will just take things like they just move on this stuff.
MBA students coming up who can do the non-core jobs. Why do you need engineers doing it?
Yeah, of course, like if you're not focusing on your core or technical skills, then obviously it will depart from your what you're learning in your daily life, and then not able to apply it at a later stage. So I guess it is.
I don't think they lead to less qualified engineers because it's a matter of interest at the end. So if a person wants to do a non-core job, if he thinks a non-core job is more attractive, let him go to that. If a person is really interested in engineering, he would as well pursue it. So I don't think you can assume that non-core jobs are leading to lack of qualified engineers.
Yeah, I feel that people taking up non-core jobs in Insti will lead to a dearth in the talent pool of engineers, because what takes a country forward is our people who build, who work actively with products, not with management. So what I feel is that what our country needs presently is a group of talented engineers, and if the best talent coming here goes for non-core jobs, I personally feel it will diminish the total pool of engineers.
I don't think so, because in my opinion, engineers are, they are spread across different fields. I mean, even an administrator can be an engineer. Engineers is somebody who can make things practically possible with a given set of theory. So I don't think we are going to stay as engineers wherever we are, even if it's a financial sector or another consultancy company. We are going to stay as engineers. We're going to engineer solutions for this world.